In general, the more money a person has, the greater their purchasing power, and the more likely they are to adopt a consumerist lifestyle. Consumption starts with food. While the average annual meat consumption per person in some poor countries does not exceed 20 kilograms, this average exceeds 100 kilograms in rich countries. As for energy consumption, the larger the house, the greater its need for electricity or gas for heating. Similarly, the more powerful the car engines, the more fuel they consume. Also, the higher we climb the social ladder, the more we travel by plane, reaching the top where we find private jets flying from one country to another with fewer than 10 people on board. We also find giant luxury yachts. All these factors significantly increase an individual's direct or indirect consumption of energy resources, thereby raising their carbon footprint, that is, their impact on climate change. We can observe the difference in the consumption of the planet's resources among different social classes within the same country. However, this difference becomes much clearer when we compare rich countries with poor countries. For instance, a country like Canada, with a population of no more than 40 million, consumes many times the energy consumed by a country like Nigeria, which has more than 218 million inhabitants. Of course, regardless of the climate differences between the two countries, we generally find a correlation between carbon emissions and the per capita gross domestic product, GDP. And while it is true that China is the second largest energy consumer after the United States, it is the world's most populous country and the nation that manufactures goods for all the world's peoples. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, leave us a like and go watch our other videos.